Welcome from Everyday GMP. Today's video, where we'll guide you step by step on how to find visa sponsorship jobs in Scotland, UK. So many recruitment agencies are offering visa-sponsored jobs, and you can also apply directly to the companies. You can move to Scotland with your family. You can claim £8,000 for relocation purpose. Benefits are as under: cultural experience, high-quality healthcare, education opportunities, stunning landscapes, job opportunities, work-life balance, friendly people, culinary delights, cultural events, safety and security. Scotland, a captivating part of the United Kingdom, boasts a rich tapestry of culture, history and scenic beauty. From its bustling cities like Edinburgh and Glasgow to its picturesque landscapes of the Highlands and Islands, Scotland offers a unique blend of opportunities and experiences. For those seeking employment in Scotland from overseas, visa sponsorship jobs play a pivotal role. Visa sponsorship facilitates international professionals in securing work opportunities, enabling them to contribute their skills and expertise to Scotland's dynamic workforce. Whether you're exploring career prospects or considering a move, understanding visa sponsorship jobs in Scotland can open doors to exciting possibilities and a fulfilling professional journey. If you are from a country that is outside the European Economic Area, the EU, plus Norway, like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Malaysia, African countries and more, you need permission to work in Scotland, UK. So many recruitment agencies will work for you and will offer you visa-sponsored job. We will discuss their procedures and website links. This all could be free. Scotland is giving £8,000 to move in. For relocation. Scotland, land of rich culture, hospitality and opportunities. Europass CV can be created on Europass European Union website, link given in description. Tailoring your CV for the international, especially for Scotland market, enhances relevance and appeal to local employers. Proper formatting demonstrates professionalism and attention to detail. Adhering to Irish standards increases your chances of standing out to hiring managers. Utilizing reputable templates ensures alignment with industry expectations. A tailored CV increases your likelihood of securing interviews in Scotland. Step 3 is use recruitment agencies for this hunting. Or directly, you can apply for visa-sponsored job. Here are a list of the agencies working for you to arrange visa-sponsored job for you. Their websites link are given in description. Go and apply accordingly. In the details, we will discuss NHS FIFIA serving to health sector and their allied occupations. Welcome to www.myjobscotland.gov.uk, your go-to platform for job opportunities. Discover a plethora of employment openings tailored for various skill sets at. Step into the future of job applications with www.apply.jobs.scot.uk, Scotland's streamlined employment portal. www.baalpazimcareservices.org.uk, www.cedarcarehomes.com. Directly searching and applying for relevant jobs in Scotland or over Europe streamlines your job hunt process. By targeting specific roles, you increase your chances of finding a position that aligns with your skills and aspirations. Utilizing direct application methods fosters a more personalized approach, enhancing your visibility to potential employers. By focusing on direct applications, you ensure your qualifications directly reach the hiring managers, potentially expediting the hiring process. Step 5 is to get job offer. You must have a job offer from a company or employer. You must be directly employed and paid by your employer in Scotland, UK. Job offers from recruitment agencies and other intermediaries are not acceptable for this permit. Step 6 apply work permit. 7 apply for visa immigration and registration. If your application is successful and you live outside of Scotland, you still must apply for visa to enter Scotland. If you are from a country whose citizens need a visa to enter Scotland, you must present your employment permit to the immigration officer in the airport or port of entry to Scotland. Everyday GMP training and solution providers, uniting science, soft skills, and career paths. Subscribe and hit the bell. Enjoyed the journey? Subscribe and hit the bell for the latest updates. Join the conversation. Share your thoughts in the comments. Your voice matters.